Yes, I shared my screen.
I'm requesting for the control.
Yes, I approve.
So yesterday we have discussed about listing and exclusion. So today we will be discussing on the topic called as the material determination. Okay.
Sure.
So material determination, or you can call it as a substitution.
Okay.
Just give me a moment. Let me open the other laptop. Let me go to. So today's topic is material determination. So let me go to the easy access pane. So the node for the path for the material determination is like when it comes to the end user, like in the easy access screen. It's logistics, sales and distribution, and under master data you will find products. Under products you will find material determination, and here is the one, BB11 for the create. Yeah, BB11 is for create, and BB12 is for change, and BB13 is for display. So what exactly, first let me tell you like what exactly the material determination or substitution means. So you might be knowing the term substitution. So what exactly substitutions means to you?
Instead of the main one, we replace with that substitution.
Yes, that's true. So what may be the scenarios wherein the business will be going for a substitutions? Any guess? In which scenarios? So what you said is true. What is said is true. Instead of main item, if they have decided to substitute.
When a material is unavailable, maybe if we have another one which we can substitute.
True, that's true. Yes. Yes, you're right. And any other scenarios?
In billing also, if we don't have the original bill, we will provide duplicate bill or Xerox. Substitute.
No, that is the bill is the output.
Okay.
So we are talking about the materials. The billing and nothing what you said is like duplicate bill.
Okay.
So it means initially when you purchase secured everything, the invoice has been created, there is an output bill part billing you have received. But you forgot, it got stolen or something. Later part you remember that invoice number, you can come back and ask like actually provide me a duplicate bill. They may provide you the duplicate. That is different case. Here, while at the counter when you are going and placing one material, or you are asking for one material, okay, so I need certain rice bag or certain something else. The system, when the user keys in and checks, the system will say like instead of this, the brand available is the other one. So one thing is what Preeti has said, that is true. if the stock is not available. So you wanted to procure some material, and that stock has gone. Okay, that stock is out of stock, and system is proposing the new one. So
Okay.
something like, yeah, some rice pack or null rice pack instead of that, some masuri rice pack is there. So it is proposing later, but it's your call whether you want to go for it or not.
Mm.
Yes.
Yes.
Similarly, like it will be helpful in the when by the prescriptions if you see in India, but not I don't know about the US. In Indian market, if you go and show your prescription, the chemist will not be having that brand. He will say with this formulations, he will check in the system and he will say with this formulation we have another brand.
Mm-hmm.
So you want to have it or not.
Okay.
But here what will happen, system on its own will default propose when the user is in that particular material which he wanted, if that has gone out of store, then the system will itself propose the another one, the substitute one.
Okay.
Okay. And the first scenario is what she said, if the stock has gone out of, the material has gone out of stock. Second thing is like, if the organization has decided to discontinue the product, some brand, they wanted to discontinue that.
Okay.
In that cases also, um, this, the substitution will play a role.
Okay.
And the third thing, maybe like, if in a combo pack or something like that, means customer is placing an order, say for a rice pack, then we will give an oil and something like that. So it's a combo pack concept. So these are some scenarios wherein, the material determination, the substitution rule plays a role. So
Okay.
whenever a business says like, yeah, whenever a business says like, I have this kind of scenario in your back of the mind, you should strike like, yes, the SFP has provided a material determination process. If you go and implement that, it will fulfill your the client's requirement.
Okay.
You got it.
Yes.
So, what is that material determination? What we do? If you see here, let me go to the display itself. So let me check if any uh, the standard output, means the material determination type will be, say for example, A001 is the one which is entered. So let me check if any data is there or not. So there is a data. Just showing the data itself. Clear and material varied from that to the condition record number. Fine. I want to see that particular material. Okay. So here you can see the fields Similarly, like the listing and exclusion, there are some fields. So what we do is like VPN1 for free goods, we will maintain the transaction code for maintaining the free goods, and the VB01 we maintain it for listing and exclusion. Similarly, VP11 is the transaction, for this material substitution or material determination.
Okay.
The first field, the material entered, is happens to be, it's normally specifies the main materials, means for the main material that has to be substituted, that material will be maintained in the material entered. Okay. And the second material is the material which will substitute the main material. Here they have given the same material over here, but normally it will be a different.
Okay.
You understood? Normally it will be a different.
Okay.
So in this case, they have maintained the same material. So if they have given 1042 as the material, even substitution material also they are giving it as 1042.
1042.
But which is not the right way. I don't know why they have opted this the same way. So let me check any other records. Not this one. Let me check. Yeah, you can see here. See, these here are some materials, list of materials for which the material determination is already maintained in the system for material determination type A001. Yes?
Yes.
So material determination type is nothing but if you see the pricing procedure, it's a condition type. So why I'm stressing it again, this is also a condition technique.
Okay.
So this concept is also built up based on condition technique. Okay. So, yep. So here the main material is 1299K, and the one which has to be replaced, means substituted, is 1299K. Means this here the material means the substitution material. You got it?
Yes, got.
And here the unit of measure, the third thing is the reason. So here you will specify. So what is the reason? What is the reason for substitution?
Okay.
So why you are specifying? These are the SAP provided reasons. So here you can see dummy 005, 001 advertising campaign. So why you are maintaining that? Why you are substituting the main item with some other substitution item? So that we are going to give a reason. So here these reasons are SFP specified one. So we will check where we can go ahead and define. But here you can see the 001 is advertising campaign, 00 customer material, or the 5 which is there. It is a kind of what they have provided is the promotion. Since they want to promote that material for 1299K, the substitution material is 1299K Pro, and the reason they have given is the promotion. Okay, if I go here, then the next phase is this one. They have checked. In few cases they have unchecked. So let me test. So what this means is, so ready for more information. So if you have want to specify more than one material determination record, we have to check this. So for that, what we have to do is we have to select over here and click on alternate materials. See, You understood what the check means? I will tell you.
No, I didn't get it.
Okay.
Yes.
So till here you understood, no?
Mm-hmm.
The
Yes.
reason, the
Yes.
substitution material,
Yes.
main material, and everything. See, there may be a cases where only there won't be a one substitution material. There will be a multiple substitutions materials.
Okay.
There will be a multiple substitutions materials. Like if the user has placed an order for a main item, say
this is the
1299K.
main item, and we are substitute with 1299K. Pro is the one.
Yes. So substitution is not only with the one item. If there are multiple substitution items,
Okay, where we gonna give it for the multiple ones? Like here only,
yes.
or
No, that's what. So you have to select that. You have to click over here,
okay.
and you can continue to maintain over here.
Okay, instead of one, we have to maintain now.
So if I place the main item also here again, the system will accept. Press enter.
Okay, if we go more than, we need to select the tick mark. If it's only one, it's no need to.
No need to check the tick mark. The system will by default check the indicator if there is a multiple record. So here there is a multiple records, means alternative uh, substitution materials for 1299K. That is the reason it got checked. For this side, for even for the fourth line item, see mat V100. So mat V100, there is a check.
Okay,
It
it's also
means like
having
already
it's more than
should
one.
have more than one substitution material.
Yeah, it's having
1195.
two of them.
Yes, 1195. Similarly, if I go and see here, there is no check here.
Yes, it's having only one.
Yeah, so if I go here and try to maintain one more item.
Now I got it. Yeah, we give it.
Okay, and
we
we
need
try
to
save it. Yeah, I mean, if we save it, the system will automatically add a check mark.
Okay.
So this check means that is the reason I pressed F1. It's an ID for more than one material in determination.
Got it.
Okay. So this is the thing what you will be doing it in material determination. Okay. So the concept of the material, that is the reason initially it's stressed to on condition technique. The only reason is why, because I told you a number of times we'll be using, means we will be reusing this condition technique in various SAP OTC sales and distribution process. So we have studied the process for equity determination, wherein the concept is built on condition technique. We have studied listing and exclusion. The concept is built on condition technique. Here it is today we are discussing on material determination, and that is also built on concept condition technique. So as such, now what we did is we have just discussed the end user front. Like in easy access screen, if you go to the transaction VP11, either through path, if you go, what you will do, you will record and you will maintain a record. Means for a main item, what would be the multiple substitution items? Yes. A single substitution item with specifying a reason.
Okay.
So you are maintaining a record over here. But from the consultant point of view, we have to do the configuration. But means we have to they have maintained a record in VB11, but it has to appear when they are creating a sales order. No? So for that, we will be doing all the stuff, the configuration stuff in implementation guide screen. That is IMG.
IMG screen.
Yes. So if you go to IMG screen, where we have to go?
Sales and distribution.
Okay.
Then basic functions.
Yes.
Here, here, under the output control, it's having material determination.
Yes. So the first thing, maintain prerequisites for material determination. Prerequisites means
For material
the
determination.
base is the requirements for material requirements, the basic requirements. So here it is a condition technique. So what you will do first
First, we
as a
have to
part of it,
maintain field catalog. No,
we have
it's
to
table.
okay. So first we have to maintain a field catalog. This field catalog normally we will maintain when there is a the fields which are there over here. You want to maintain a record. Out if you want to maintain a record based on some key fields and that key field is missing over here, then you can go ahead and create a field and save it, so that while you create a table in that uh, you know uh, field catalog, it should appear.
Okay.
Okay, so here are the field catalogs. So normally we don't have to go for it, but in case if there is a combination, the fields which you wanted to opt to create a table is not appearing in while creating a table, then you can come back to field catalog and you can add a enter. Okay.
Okay.
So the first thing what we have to do is
Create condition table.
yes, create a condition table. As such, we are going to go with display condition table because, and we will check whether if material determination there are only two tables, standard one,
Yes.
001, 002 is being created. So if you go ahead and create, select either one. So let's go with the list okay, 001. So we have created one table over here. So these are the field catalogs, the field catalogs list which we have discussed just ahead before. So if any field catalog means any field is missing over here, you can go there and add it on. So here they have created only based on one field, that is material.
Material entered.
Yes. Okay. So they have created a table with only one element, one field, material entered. And table creation, everything you know. I believe you also already practiced. Am I right? You already created a couple of
And
tables.
here also, if we need to create a new table, like do I need to take 9 series or 6 series?
See, above 500, you can system will allow you to create.
Okay. I think that number is for only pricing process. For any table, we need to take out above 500.
But normally we go with 900 series.
Yes.
You got it. So whenever we create, we go with 900 series.
Okay.
But anything above 500, because up till 500, the SAP is reserved for their own use. Okay. So the next thing after creating a table, what we have to do?
Next to maintain access sequence.
Yes. So we'll be maintaining an access sequence. And the access sequence you will create any some say A001 or is it any kind of an, or you can click on the new and you can create your own access sequence. So what we do in the access sequence?
We access.
What we do in the access sequence?
In this access sequence, we access that catalog, the field.
Access. We will double click on and we will
whatever
maintain
the
that.
requirements.
No. The access sequence we do, we place the tables what we have created.
Okay.
You understood?
Yes.
Okay. So why we do this? Because this is the one which we plays a major role while creating, while you try to make, when the end user is trying to create a transaction, maintain a record in VB11. So this is the tables which will appear under the key combinations. So already this is the fourth subject which we are going to discuss.
Yes.
Just give me a moment. Just give me a moment. I just got it. Same thing. Yeah, there is a meeting which was scheduled. Only audio is in. Okay. So I need to join this meeting. Just give me a moment. They have scheduled a meeting already and they want me to join now.
Or do you need a kind of step by step how to do that? The simple matter goes as create putting the program in, entering the order number and hitting execute. Is that all that it is? Yeah, actually. Yes. I was actually there is a test program. Okay. So again, there are only two order number and the simple. Then either you can drop off if you have anything
Yep. So I don't know.
If your thing was great,
So where we is
go to display and we have direct prospect. So the thing is one. Here we go. Okay. Direct prospect. You have each together. You need to get the order number. It's better always you one order number. Clear. Then you connect. Okay. Okay. So what I'll be doing is I'll be entering I'll be opening the portal first. Okay. I'll be entering the portal. I will enter the order in the view mode. And you have the error message that you see in the screen on the ticket. Like item does not exist on a bed or something. So yeah, I'm not to go into the portal. I just show you that. But okay. Item just to make sure that it's still up. Yeah. So I mean, I usually the same test I will do it using the portal, but you want to do it in
Hello.
Yeah, Satish sir.
Yeah. So I just the meeting was started. I don't know. And one more thing, I could able to see the meeting timings has been changed. Now they wanted me to join. Around 6:30.
Just send an email internally email that you are looking at it so that others can't come. Okay. And then it is starting 1 hour on a meeting. Right? So in case you may not pick up those emails. So whoever sees the ticket first or an email from Robin or email from
Okay, fine. So let's me complete this topic. So maintain prerequisites for material determination.
so that no one will come. And what is the farmers? Not yet.
So create condition tables is done. So we have defined the access sequence. So next thing is the define condition types. Condition types is nothing but the material determination type, the one which we have, which will be the user is obtained while creating a VB11 transaction, means maintaining the material substitution. So pricing, we will be having a condition type. For free goods, it was a free goods determination type, discount type, and for listing, it was a listing type, for expression type / exclusion type. Here it is like the condition type means like the material substitution type. Okay, so that we need to define and we need to assign. So what we will be assigning, we will be assigning the access sequence to that.
Okay.
So the next thing is maintain the procedure. We will be maintaining a procedure for this. So we will be defining one procedure, and we will be selecting our condition type. So we will be placing our condition type over here.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the same routine setting. So there will not be any confusion for you. The settings what we were doing for the previous 2-3 scenarios, the same thing we have to do. So we have defined a table, we have defined an access sequence. Now we have defined condition type. Then hello. 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 Am I audible?
Yes.
Hello. Hello. Okay. Sorry, I think there was some issue from my end. So now I could able to hear. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Hi to everyone.